Welcome to this tutorial video for Cymaz Music about how to use guided access on an iPad. This is useful when you have a student or somebody that you want to stay in an app and not exit using the home button. First, go to your settings. In settings, on the left hand side, go to General. Within that menu, click on Accessibility. Once in here, scroll down. You'll find under the Learning section the Guided Access option. Click Guided Access. At the top, turn the button to the On position. Now you can set your passcode by clicking Passcode Settings. Then click Set Guided Access Passcode. Input your 4-digit passcode twice. Now return one menu by clicking Guided Access at the top. Check that the Accessibility shortcut button is on. Click Accessibility at the top to return one more menu, and check that the option at the bottom says Accessibility Shortcut, Guided Access. Now choose an app that you'd like to start using with your guided access session. Open the app. Once the app is open, you triple click the home button to begin your guided access session. Some options will appear. On the top right, click Start. Now your guided access session has begun, and the person using the iPad cannot get out of the application. To exit the guided access session, triple click the home button again. Input your 4-digit passcode, and on the top left, click End. Your iPad is now free to return to the home screen. Now we're going to look at some advanced features of guided access. Sometimes we'd like the user to only be able to use particular parts of the screen. For example, the guitar part of the GarageBand app. If we want the user just to be able to use the strings, triple click the home button to start the guided access session. Then triple click again to open the options. You'll have to input your passcode. The idea here is to just let the user use the strings and none of the other options. Start to draw on the screen. You can go outside of the edges of the screen. Once you've completed a circle, the app will show you what areas of the screen it is selected to be in use and areas out of use. Let go. The grey area can now be moved around if you didn't quite get it right, and it can also be increased or decreased in size using the grey circles in the corners. Now click Resume in the top right. Only the string area of the screen can now be played. Ending the guided access session is still the same as before. Triple click the home button. Now enter your 4-digit passcode. The guided access options come up. In the top left, click End. Now you're free to click the home button and return to your home screen. That's the end of this tutorial video. Hopefully you'll find that useful for people that you work with on iPad.